So we are at the Magpul booth. I think you all recognize this small tiny box. It is finally available as a firearm. This is the FDP-C, and it's been built with a collaboration between Zev and Magpul. Magpul does all of the plastics and all of the structure, and Zev basically builds the firearm part of the gun. It is classified as a short-barreled rifle in the United States. As a matter of fact, this is the FDP-C, C as carbine. And then we have the FDP-P, which is a pistol, and it's freely available as any other handgun through your local gun shop. At this time, this beauty is not available outside of the United States, and its price is projected to be around $16.99. You can see how easy it is to basically make it work. Since this is a longer magazine, you put it like this, and it's absolutely incredibly easy just to lock it. What you do, you just put it like this, you press this button and keep it vertical, and what happens is that essentially the magazine snaps in place and it's ready to be shot. As I said, at the moment no plans are to release this outside of the United States, but we can still dream. Questions, comments, post them below. Keep following allforshooters.com.